When most pianists talk about the sustain pedal, they say it creates sympathetic resonance. But what exactly has to happen for sympathetic resonance to occur? Today we're going to break it down into 5 separate physical processes. First, the string must vibrate. The first requirement is symbol. A vibrating source must exist, so on a piano, this begins when a hammer strikes a string, then the string oscillates back and forth hundreds of times per second. Without vibration, there's no energy available to transfer. No vibration means no resonance. Energy must enter the piano body. The string itself doesn't move much air. Instead, vibration travels to the bridge and into the soundboard. The soundboard acts like an amplifier. Its large sound area also allows much more air to be moved. This increases the amount of acoustic energy traveling throughout the instrument. Other strings must be free to vibrate. Normally, dampers prevent most strings from moving. This is where the sustain pedal becomes important. When the pedal is pressed, every damper lifts. Over 200 strings suddenly become available to respond. Without this step, sympathetic resonance is heavily limited. Frequencies must match. This is the most important physics principle. Every string has natural resonance frequencies. If incoming vibrations match those frequencies, the string absorbs energy efficiently. If frequencies do not match, very little vibration occurs. This is why certain notes trigger stronger resonance than others. Harmonics create additional resonance. The final step involves harmonics. A piano string never vibrates at only one frequency. It simultaneously produces higher frequencies called overtones. Some of these overtones correspond to entirely different notes on the piano. As a result, strings were never struck began vibrating. This dramatically increases the complexity of the sound. So, sympathetic resonance is not one event. It's actually a chain reaction involving string vibration, energy transfer, damper release, frequency matching, harmonic interaction. The sustain pedal doesn't simply make notes last longer. It temporarily transfers the entire piano into connected resonance systems. So yeah, that's our guide on sympathetic resonance. It's just a term to describe the utmost best use of the sustain pedal of the piano, and also the resonance factor that a lot of musicians feel when they do engage in it properly. Have a nice day.